Hi there, I'm going to show you guys a video of how to access the reading book online. So if your child is ever absent, they are able to still do the reading work. So first thing they have to do is go into Clever, which they all know how to do. Then they're going to go to Reading For. Once they're in the reading, they'll see the screen and then they'll go to Modules. Once they're in Modules, they'll click on Reading For. Once they're in Reading For, they'll click on Load Reading, and it'll load into a new window. So now they're actually in the program. There's a bunch of resources, but just to access the book, they'll go to My Books, and then they'll go to the green one here, Reach for Reading Grade 4. Then they'll click on Student Book. And then this week, the story starts on page 80, so all they have to do is type in 80 in this little box right here, and then click Enter, and then they get on the first page. And then to zoom out a little so they can see more of it at once, they just hit the little minus sign like that. And then this week, one of the focuses is character analyzation, and as they read, there's these little before you move on questions at the bottom, and they should do those in their head, or they can write them down if they want. Eventually they'll be writing them down, but since they're at home, they can just do them in their head, and it'll just help keep them more focused as they read, and then stay more on track. So they'll read the whole story. I believe it goes to page 94. And so that's it for the reading for Monday. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.